everyone. We are going to discussing about Tally Sales Analyzing in Power BI. In Tally, total sales are just showing in profit and loss account, but we have to make many analysis for decision making, for which we have to use third-party softwares like Tableau, Power BI, etc. We connected Tally with already developed dashboards in Power BI for real-time analysis. The sales analysis is classified into three categories: sales overall analysis, customer analysis, and sales return analysis. Firstly, we are going to discussing about sales overall analysis. In this dashboard, you can see monthly sales, product category of sales, staff sales and type of sales. Overall summary of sales growth, sales value per customer, average customers visits and percentage of sales returns, which further can analysis by year or by months. Next analysis is number of customers and percentage of customers purchasing multiple products. In this dashboard, you can see monthly trend of total customers, new customers and repeated customers. Growth of monthly or yearly number of customers can be analyzed. Percentage of new customers in value and numbers. Number of customers for selected items. Number of customers who purchase both selected item, where we can analysis cross-selling and upselling possibilities. Pin code analysis, where location-wise customers are analyzing. Staff analysis based on number of customers dealing. Next analysis is sales return analysis, where we can analysis percentage of sales return in total, product-wise and customer type. Monthly trend of sales return percentage and value is possible. The sales return analysis help to reduce percentage of sales return and to take corrective actions. For more details and data analytics consulting, visit our website www.outsideglobal.com.